Today I'm super excited because we're going to check out the X800 desk cam brought to you by 70Mai, a company backed by Xiaomi. This little powerhouse right here is loaded with some pretty insane features. 4K HDR or 60 FPS recording, the second gen Starfish night vision technology, an optional 4G connection to monitor your car remotely, and even a full panoramic view. Let's see if this could be your next car companion. Hey there, it's me, Martijn, and let's get started. This gadget was launched just moments ago, so we've got a very exclusive product and first look here thanks to Techpunt.nl, the official European reseller. They sent this over for us to check out, so be sure to check out their website after watching this video. Alright, let's start with the unboxing and then the installation. Now let me tell you this, the unboxing is quite fancy. After opening the box, we've got right away the dash cam and the rear cam. Next up is this little box that contains the power cable and car charger. Then we've got a box that has documentation and adhesive stickers to mount the dash cam. In the last box we've got the cable that will run to the rear camera and a wiring tool. Next is the installation. It's super straightforward. First, install those electrostatic stickers onto your windshield and then use the adhesive stickers on the devices to mount it. Insert the power cable, clean up the wire using the wiring tool. Now head over to the trunk and do the same over there. First the electrostatic stickers, then stick the rear camera onto it, connect this cable to the desk cam as well, and then it's time to start using it. But this is not your average desk cam. This device is rocking true 4K recording at 60 frames per second or HDR. The video quality is honestly stunning. You can make out license plates, road signs, pretty much every tiny detail. Plus it's equipped with a Sony IMX678 sensor and the second gen Starfish night vision technology, which means it's an absolute champ even in low light conditions. So whether you're on a midnight drive or parked in a dimly lit area, you're covered. Here's a quick look at some footage I captured. Look at how crisp those details are. During the day it's crystal clear, and at night the f1.7 large aperture lens really steps up, giving you sharp and bright images. Now, one of my favorite features is the voice control. You can say things like take photo, but you can also say things like take selfie. And it just listens. It's honestly super convenient if you're navigating a tricky parking spot or need to quickly check your surroundings. Speaking of tricky spots, check this out. It's got a full pan tilt panoramic view. This camera can rotate in all directions, giving you coverage of the front, sides and rear. This is perfect for narrow streets or crowded parking lots. And for extra security, you can pair it with a rear camera for dual channel recording. 4K in the front and 1080p at the back. Now let's talk about security. The X800 Sentry Mode is like having a personal guard for your car. When it's parked, it monitors for any suspicious activity, and if something happens, it starts recording instantly. And the best part, you can access all of this easily from the 70Mai app. With 4G support and dual band Wi-Fi, you can monitor your car remotely, check alerts and even watch live footage. It's like having a full surveillance system right on your phone. However, to unlock this feature, you need to have the optional hardware kit, like the 𝗵𝗂𝗃 or the 𝗵𝗂4, of which the latter one has 4G functionality, which means you can get live streaming, GPS tracking and real-time alerts directly on your phone. As for the ADAS features, like lane departure and forward collision warnings, the X800 supports these too. However, I don't use them because my car already has these systems built in. If your vehicle doesn't have any of these features, this could be a great addition to enhance your driving safety. So, who's this dash cam for? Honestly, I believe for anyone that wants top tier recording, intelligent features and all-around protection for their car. At this price point, the 70Mai X800 delivers incredible value, especially with Xiaomi's backing giving that extra level of reliability. If you're looking for peace of mind on the road and in parking lots, the 70Mai X800 desk cam is definitely worth checking out. So, What do you think of the X800 desk cam from 70Mai? Let me know in the comments below, or go watch this video over here. It's also a 70Mai desk cam, but at a much more affordable price and still with a lot of interesting features. Go check it out right now because we reached the end of this video. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I see you in the next one.